Backup iPhone to Windows PC not working. Fix. Step 1. Check USB connection and cable. Faulty cables or ports are a common cause. You may try another USB port on your PC, use an original Apple or MFI certified cable, or make sure the cable is firmly connected. Step 2. Restart iPhone and PC. Restarting clears temporary glitches. You may restart your iPhone, then go to Start, Power, Restart on your PC. Step 3. Update iTunes, Finder, and iOS. Outdated software can cause connection issues. Update iTunes or the Apple Devices app via Microsoft Store or iTunes menu. Update iOS via Settings, General, Software Update. Step 4. Trust your computer. Your iPhone must trust the connected PC. You may reconnect your iPhone and then unlock it and tap Trust when prompted.